Today we are going to make a very cool caterpillar. We are just going to make a version of the very hungry caterpillar. And because he was very hungry, he ate all the cupcakes. I'm going to show you how to make one caterpillar like this. But before we go into that, I just wanted to share with you very cool movements. But I started this puppet as a string puppet. There are 4 main types of puppets. Rod puppets, like these ones, string puppets, hand puppets, where you put your hand inside, and shadow puppets, where you play with shadows and light. So let's go into it. The first thing we are going to make is a pattern. If I do blue, purple, pink, green, and then I have to do again. And they are all divided with this. You can use any kind of beads. So first of all, I'm going to take the beads out. Next, I am going to use a needle and a thread. I'm going to try more or less, it doesn't have to be like super exact, the center of that. And then I take one of these. Okay. Now, before we put the rods or the sticks, we can play a little bit, try the movement. Remember that puppetry is all about manipulation and movement. Now with 2 chopsticks, we are just going to put them one here next to the head of the caterpillar and the other one just at the back. Well, I hope you like it and that you are ready now to have lots of fun making puppets. They can be as simple like these ones with just very basic materials. And of course, go and read The Very Hungry Caterpillar and it will make you maybe think about more ideas and you can start making at home some of the props like the apples, other fruits, the ice cream, and you can also maybe think about how to make a butterfly. I'm challenging you. Thank you for watching. Kakite!